Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here I'm just going to show you one more new product. It's a full HD 1080 camera and it is called like wireless smart camera and it's a 360 smart camera. So before I'm just going to unboxing it, I'm just going to review about the product. So let's start about the some specification about the product. Like you can see, this is the box. So basically you can see it's a 360 smart IP camera. Then it has like the main function is PTZ, like PTZ full HD home monitoring camera with the panoramic wizard. What is the PTZ? Like it's called like pan tilt zoom. So you can just zoom the live video feed. So let's start. I'm just going to open it. Let's see what we get inside. Okay, so you can see what we get inside the box. This is a wireless camera, HD camera. Then we have a user manual. Then micro USB cable with the UK adapter. Then we have some screws to mount at wall, and this is a mount case. Okay, so you can just mount this at your wall with the use of these screws. Okay, and like this will work like this. You can just outfit it. You can see. Okay, so you can see this is the camera. Like this is the front portion of the camera. So on the top you can see it's a IR light, infrared light. Then if you come to below, this is a HD lens for the camera. Then on the left side you can see it's an indicator light. Then on the exactly same right side, this is a mic. Then if you come below at the end bottom of the camera lens, this is small button you can see, it's a reset button. And exactly below reset button, this is the micro SD card slot, and you can say TF card slot, and it will support up to 128 GB. And on the right side for the camera, this is speaker for the camera. If we come back side, then this is antenna for the Wi-Fi. Then here it's a RJ45 port, you can say LAN port. Then it's a micro USB port. So it will help you to like power the camera by using the USB cable which came with this device. You can see it's a micro USB. So now I'm just connecting the USB cable. So whenever you like first start the camera will rotate 360 view automatically. You can see red light is indicating. You can go to the Google Play Store, then type IPC 360. On the top you can see the camera application IPC 360. I already downloaded this application, so I'm just directly going to open this application. So first time whenever you install this application, first time you have to register with your email address. Either you can register with your mobile number, and once you get registered you can directly sign in with the username and your password. Now you can see this is the home page for this application. On the top you can see the plus button, it's add button. You have to just go to the click on plus button, like it's called add button. Then here you can see like camera lamp plug. So I'm just going to select the camera. Then we got the two options, wireless mode and wire mode. So basically this wireless mode, it will connect this camera directly to your Wi-Fi router. And in wireless mode what happened, like the LAN cable which came through your router, it will goes into the LAN port of this camera. So I'm just going to select with the wireless mode. So if you set up this camera with your router, you no need to use any Ethernet cable or something. You can directly access this camera from anywhere in the world. So just press the wireless mode. Now it is saying like how to set the camera indicator to flash red slowly. Now you can see over here the camera, the red light is flash slowly. Yes. So I'm just going to press next. Then it will ask you about the Wi-Fi password. Okay, you can change the Wi-Fi from over here. I already set the Wi-Fi, that's why it's directly asking me about the password. But if you want to change the Wi-Fi, you can do it from the below. This is my password, so I'm just going to press the next. Please make sure it will work with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5. So just going to press next. Now you can see like it will take some time. Heard the notification? Yes. camera ready. You can hear the sound. Now it will ask you like if you want to rename this camera, you can directly rename. Otherwise it is given the recommended name. You can select any one of them, like living room, dining room, kitchen or baby room. I'm just going to select any one of them. Okay. Now it is asking like get a navigation picture. In this mean like the camera will rotate 360 and it will take one panoramic picture. So if you want to directly jump over the same picture, you can directly like press over there and it will give you the same live feed. So I'm just going to try now. It will take the pictures 15 picture. It will take 15 pictures like this. You can see. Now you can see here the picture given, like, so if you want to directly jump over there, just click over here like this. Okay, I'm again doing the same way, and if you didn't take this picture, then you have to just like swipe over like this way. Okay, so now if you want to zoom out live feed, you can do it like this way. See, still the camera is navigated. So basically this function is very useful, like PTZ function. Now we'll see about some features of this camera. Now below you can see like this is speaker, like this is two-way. As I said earlier, like the camera has a right side, you can see it's a speaker. So if you want to hear something, you can just direct like okay. So if you want to talk something, you can directly like press this button and you can say something so other person can hear you. So below you can see this is a camera button. If you want to take the picture, you can just directly press over here and it will take the picture and save in your mobile, like saved in album. Then if you want to record something, just press it. Now you can see the red icon. So recording starting, like it started. Now just if you want to just stop it, just stop it. Recording completed, check it your album. If you want to zoom out, like if you want to see the whole screen, like on full screen, you can do it from over here, like on the top right side, right corner. So we come back to again on the normal screen. On the right side, like on the below corner right side, you can see it's a mention over here. This is for like standard definition or high definition. You can select like HD or SD. Now we come on the main page of this application. Now we'll see the settings function of this application. You can see. So these all are the function of this camera. Like first function you can see rename, then share camera. Like if you want to directly set this camera, you can directly set this camera by pressing the add button. Add an account to share, whichever you want to share. Then on VIF function, you can enable it. Then this is the shooting angle, like horizontal and horizontal normal or horizontal reverse. Then status light. The status light is like it's indicating light. If you just make off, you can see the light is off. Now if you want to turn it on, now you can see the light is blinking. So we have an alert function. In alert function, motion detection, you can just set the motion detection area like alert on or off. Then we have some alarm time and sensitivity. Okay, you can select like daytime, evening, then whole day, and you can customize it. Then volume, you can just adjust the volume, camera speaker volume, then camera notification volume, and camera microphone volume. Then sound for video on off and sound for camera online. You can customize by yourself. Then language and time zone, you can set the time zone, current time zone and date. Then SD card record setting. Then cloud storage setting. Then change router. Then some device information, memory card information. Then video storage location. You can select the or a micro SD card or a cloud. Then firmware upgrade. And if you want to reboot the camera, you can directly reboot the camera from over here, like by pressing this key. And if you want to refresh setting information, you can do it over here. Otherwise, if you want to delete, you can directly delete the camera from over here. Now this is the same. Now you can see this is some additional service for the like Google Alexa or Google Home, or you can use, like you can see over here, Alexa app, and you can bind this camera. Then we have free dial, like it's a cloud storage for the directly you can access it over here, like purchase cloud storage service. Then we have a notification, like for the motion detection, you can directly access it. Then if you want to delete this camera, you can do it from over here. And if you want to share the camera with the specific user, you can do it by click on sharing button. Then now we came back to below, you can see album. As you can see, like we have taken some pictures and video, you can see over here. Then alert for the motion detection and all that things. On the last, this is application setting. It's a message setting, that feedback, help, voice access, and you can catch the clear cache, modify password, and if you want to delete the account, you can do it. And if you want to log out, you can log out it from over here. So basically this camera is very useful. Like if you want to use this camera in your baby's room for the baby monitor camera, then you can use for security purpose, and it has a IR night vision, so it will give you the very good picture quality. Like our video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.